Let's go do a little winter camping in the snow. Alright, y'all. Gonna clean snow off this old GMC Jimmy right here. Y'all will be seeing this in an upcoming video. We're gonna make this the perfect camping rig. The perfect camping rig. The ideal is roof rack, lift, a few other things. It's just no beater with a heater. Still got to fix the 4-wheel drive on it. Actuator is missing. The whole vacuum system on this rig is missing for the actuator. But it's all going to be good. So let's just dive right into this video. We're going to go do a little bit of snow camping. Here I am cleaning off the snow. Getting ready to leave the house, get to the campsite. Which is not too far away. And we are going to be expanding our horizon. Hopefully in the next video. If it's a camping video. Or working on this rig video. So, let's just get right to it. We got about 6, 7, 8 inches of snow since last night and today. Stopped snowing about 3 o'clock in the evening. The highways are clear, so we're going to get out here and truck on down, get to the campsite, get set up, and hopefully get to do a little camping tonight. And away we go. Here we go. Right on down the highway. To your right is the luxurious railroad tracks. To your left is nothing. And back to your right is the railroad tracks and snow. And trees with woods on the backside. So, let's get on to the campsite, y'all. We gotta get this tent set up. It's very important you get your shelter set up, then work on your fire. You could actually work on your fire first so you got heat. But we're working on the shelter first. And I cleared out a spot. I got my plastic to lay down, so that's gonna be miserable tonight. Find the end of it here. Put it in. I'll get it set up pretty quick. Getting dark pretty quick. But we're going to get it. I say we are. Let's see what it is. No, no. You can go back to your house, wherever it is. Alright, y'all. Gotta make a spot for the fire, y'all. It's getting dark. Gotta get this fire going. Tents up. We can manage with it. Let's get this fire going. Now I gotta get bundled up. It's getting colder. See y'all in a minute. Got a pile of wood over here. I'm about to lose the fire. I gotta hurry. A lot of this I can break off without the hatchet. Anything get going, y'all. It's cold, y'all. We got the fire going barely, but it's going. Take gander red here in a minute. When you're out in the wilderness, out in the cold, you want to stay dry as you can. So my feet's wet. Once the fire gets going good, I'll dry my socks off, dry them out. The ground's wet where the snow was. Where we shoveled back. Wish I would have remembered a tarp or plastic. Make a barrier between you and the cold. Right now the smoke is going towards the tent. It's not going to work. We might have to block off the wind behind the fire. We'll get it figured out here in a minute. See if y'all can see that, but it's cold. It's supposed to get down in the teens tonight. We got about 7 or 8 inches of snow. I'm ready for some dinner. Having a beard helps you in the cold weather. And the long hair. I can hear the fire roaring now. Once we get it going good. If I don't put it out first. Now's a good time. Go ahead and hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe. And if anybody's been wondering where I've been over on that other out. Old Talk, Tick. Actually make a little revenue over there. We got a bunch more automotive projects coming up on this channel. But right now I'm doing some winter camping, so figured I'd share that with y'all. Gotta wait for the weather to break. Just a little bit. I'm gonna help this fire along. See y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. Starting to get the fire going. I gotta chop some wood up real quick. You can tell it's already dark. Y'all, look how beautiful it is out here. I know y'all can't see a lot, but it is. It's beautiful. Got my drink in the snow. Then it get cold. Wind starting to blow from that direction. So, man, put something up over here and block the wind off. So we got the door in the right place. Wind ain't gonna blow in there. Put something up here and let that heat reflect. It's going good. We'll pull some coals out, throw a rack over the coals, and cook us some food. That dog is still here with us. I think he's cold. Somebody should have let him go in. Figure he'd go home by now where he belongs, but he may be lost out here in the wilderness. Like many of those. Wind changed directions on us. That's fine. After all, mounting up some snow on the backside. Something about a good fire. Therapeutic. Relaxing. Until that happens. Just check the weather. It's 28 degrees right now. Wind chill's gonna be way down in the teens tonight. So fire is very, very important. We're going to have to keep it going no matter what. I had to move to the other side here. Listen, y'all. Coyotes howling. Found a piece of metal. And a pile of snow against it. Blocked the wind from this side, but now the wind's coming from this way. Listen to them. Not sure y'all can hear them. We'll see what else I can find to block this side. Get that fire going. Got some wood. Trying a couple pieces out at a time. Fire's pretty small, but it'll get going here in a little bit. I can still feel heat off of it, so we're good. That metal's working out pretty good. Making a wall. Alright, y'all, check out what we got going on. Build us a wall around it with snow. Block that wind. Got the fire going good. It's not as warm as I'd like to be, but it's warm. Got some more wood drying out. Once we get it all dried out, we're gonna make the fire bigger, all the way out to here. Still be a couple feet, 3 feet away from the tent, so we ought to be okay. As long as we keep that wind blocked down. Safety first, y'all. Safety first. Oh, let's enjoy that right there. I got a story about a time I went camping, overnight camping, just me, no tent, just a fire. Put wood around, like that snow, around the tree, built a fire at the end of it, and I slept against a tree. Woke up probably, I don't know what time it was in the morning or the night. Fire was going out, pretty much out, just coals. And a doggone coyote had my bag of food and was eating it, ripping it open, eating it. Wasn't 5 foot from me. So we gotta watch for her. Coyote's not likely to bother you other than steal your food. And that's what he done, he stole my food. If I would have kept fire on that long, he would never came and camp. It is what it is. I'm gonna get my pan ready here in a minute. We're gonna set it up on top of that fire and cook. Got our food on. Still got some more wood drying out. Hopefully in about 5 minutes the food will be ready. It's drying the ground out around here too. Still wet over here where I'm at, but as long as that ground there stays dry, it would be good. Keep the fire going. Chicken ramen noodles. That's what we're having. Got some burgers, but I think we're going to save them for tomorrow. In the morning. I believe it's pretty much done. Let's get it off there and add the seasoning. And more seasoning. And more seasoning. Leave in the comment how y'all like y'all ramen noodles. I didn't bring no hot sauce. Got our pot sitting over here on the snow. Got our seasoning. Two packs. Dump it all in. Stir up the first pack. Then we'll work on the second pack. This is how I do it. 1 pack of noodles, 2 packs of seasoning. Yes, you gotta sacrifice a pack. But we'll use them later. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. A little bit of salt and pepper mix. We're going to sit here and eat by the fire. Good. Good. Good, a warm meal on a cold night. Wish I would have had some chili, but Don't finish eating, y'all. Oh, that really hit the spot, y'all. Gonna melt some snow in the pot. Glad I got some water to wash it with. Don't waste my drinking water. And it'll be hot water. Wash it out. Put it up, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. Throw some more wood on the stove, on the fire. May build up a little more snow around the edges. Help block that wind. Give us more heat in the tent. I don't think it's gonna melt it. It's been a couple hours and it ain't melted it yet, so we're good. That was a good dinner. But I will see y'all in the morning. Well, y'all, we made it home. Stayed warm in the tent, the sleeping bag. Got down to 18 degrees. Wasn't too bad. Pretty nice. But I'm gonna get in the house, get cleaned up. I got some wood split, build a fire. See y'all on the next adventure.